welcome back with ErzaBlocks, and today I'm going to show you a short tutorial how to create a flying parrot. So as usual, I'm going to be using Scratch. If you guys have your own Scratch account, then you could log in to your Scratch account like mine. I have mine logged in. And if you don't, you can just head on to this website, scratch.mit.edu. And when you run that one, you can go to the main page of the Scratch and you can start creating by clicking on this create button. I will show you some simple blocks that actually help you animate the flying parrot. Okay, so now this is our page open up. And here I'm gonna change the backdrop and the sprite first. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that one. Yes, I'm gonna choose, I'm gonna search for the parrot. Okay, now as you can see, I have this parrot already ready. And if I click on the costumes, I can see that this parrot has two costumes, Parrot A, Parrot B. In Parrot A, it has this costume, and in Parrot B, it has this costume in which the wings are down. So if I go back and forth with these two animations, it seems as though the parrot is flying. So that's what we're gonna do today. That's how we're gonna animate our parrot for today. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the title. So I want my project saved. Flying Parrot. Okay. That should save it. And now let's head on to choosing our backdrop. So I'm going to choose a backdrop. Let's see. I will choose the boardwalk. And if you guys want to choose any other backdrop, it's totally up to you. And first I'm gonna use the events when green flag is clicked. Let me zoom in a bit so you could see the block clearly. All right, so this block mainly shows or functions as when you click this green flag, then it will start the program or your program starts running. So I have no other blocks below this green flag click block, but when I click this, nothing happens yet. So I'm gonna go and maybe set this position of the parrot to start from here. So whenever you click the green flag, it would start at this position. As you can see, my X and Y's are at a certain coordinate. X is -179 and Y is -73. Now this is the position of your parrot. So I'm gonna make this parrot go to that certain position, or the coordinates of X and Y's would be at this position whenever I click my green flag. So if I move my parrot and I click the green flag, it goes back to its original position, to where I want it to. Alright, now we're gonna use a motion block to move this parrot around or move it forward. So I'm gonna use move 10 steps. So let's try to click. Okay. Whenever we click the green flag, okay, it moves, but something's not right. It always starts at the starting position and it moves 10 steps. Okay, so to fix that, I'm gonna put it under a forever block, like that. So forever, it will move 10 steps forward, but it will make it just move forward without changing the movement or without changing its costume. So I want it to change its costume, and I'm going to use the next costume under the looks block. Next costume would allow this parrot to move as though it's flying, or to be animated as though it's flying, and to move forward 10 steps, but it will only look or seem as though it's flying forward. I want it to fly going up. So in that case, I'll go back to the motion blocks and I will change the position of the Y. Every time it moves 10 steps forward, then the position of the Y would be changed by 10. or you could use it 15. It's totally up to you what number. Why I need to use the position or coordinate of y or change the y? Because the y shows that your position is up and down. So whether you want your parrot to move up, how many steps, or going down. So if I'm gonna go up, then I'm gonna make it a positive number and not a negative number. So let's find change y by 10. So if it's a positive number, then our parrot will apparently go up. If it's a negative, then it will go down. So when the green flag is clicked, it will go to this certain position, and forever it will change its costume continuously, moving 10 steps forward, and it will change the y by 10. Let's see if this works. Okay, that was too fast. Alright, so we have to fix that. I'm gonna go back and put the position of the parrot back to its original position. Okay, you can already see it there, -73. Alright, okay, parrot. Now, because the movement of the parrot was too fast, so we're gonna make its movement slower. So I'm gonna go and use the wait block. Wait 1 second. Under there. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, that's too slow. Alright, because it's too slow, let's go ahead and change this to 1 second. And then you click the green flag. Alright, that should do it. And yep, that is how you create the flying parrot. So if you click the green flag, you will have a flying parrot. So thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to more tutorials together. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for more Scratch tips, follow me at ErzaBlocks. See you next time. Bye bye.